Have you ever wondered if you could make thousands of dollars from an affiliate program? Yes, you can. You can go to this purposeup.ai and click affiliate program and click get started. It has 40% recurring commission and your audience will get 10% off too, and it also has a 180-day generous cookie window. Um, so they have already plenty of affiliates here, so it's pretty reliable program. Let's get started. Fill up your uh, fill up your information. Once you fill up your information, it will send you a confirmation link to your email. Just check your email and confirm your email address. Once you confirm your email address, you just have to confirm your Wise account email address. If you don't have one, you can create a free account at wise.com, so you can get paid immediately. So once you enter the email address, click confirm, and you will be prompted with this window. This is your affiliate link, and this is gonna be your discount code. You might wanna share this discount code with your audiences. So whoever enters this discount code, they can get 10% off too when they sign up to Peppersoft AI. And you can use this affiliate link on your profile, or like you can share this affiliate link on your social media or anything. Um, so if you wanna have another coupon code, you just have to click create another coupon code. That's it. So with this, you can sign up to Purpose AI affiliate program. Thanks. Bye.